So the next section of 5.2.5 on the back side has to do with the dice, a die, okay? So this is actually wrong. So this would be if you were to roll a die one time, what is the probability that it would land on a 3? So again, dice should not be written as dice, it should be die and die. So, sorry, it sounds morbid, but that's not what I mean. The object is called a die or a number cube. Okay, so if you were to roll the die one time, what is the probability it will land on a 3? So if you remember, the number of sides that we have on a cube is 6. 6-sided number cube is what we're working with on a die. Okay, so if we know the total number of sides, that is the total number of possible outcomes for a die. So if we want to land on a 3, only one of those 6 numbers is 3. So on the number cube, the number options are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And among those, only one of them is a 3. So how you would write the probability for that is 1 over 6. And if you take that and divide it, 1 divided by 6, you get about 0.17, which is making it about 17%. Okay? All right. The next one has to do with a complementary event. So it wants you to figure out how much probability there is. What is the probability that it will not land on a 2? So what numbers are there that are not 2? Well, there's 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6, which gives us lots of opportunity to make numbers that are not 2. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers out of 6. Okay, so the probability of not landing on a 2 is 5 over 6. So 5 over 6 as a decimal is 0.83, which is about 83%. Okay. If you were to roll the die one time, what is the probability of it landing on an even number? Make sure you go over the even numbers on your papers so that way you don't make a mistake about which ones are even numbers. And in case you were wondering, even numbers are numbers that we can divide by 2. So 2, 4, and 6. So I need you to figure out the probability of landing on an even number. I'm not going to give you the answer, but hopefully you'll be able to figure that one out pretty quickly after 6 and 7. Thanks for watching.